Now why would mean old Roughcut be after you? I don't suppose you can tell me where you got this. You're smuggling more than diamonds, aren't you, Roughcut? Something far more precious. A little kitty told me.
Gonna make a stop first. Don't wait for me. Just get it out.
Yeah, I took her out. Freaking broad thinks she's gonna mess with me. And you want a piece, is that it? Okay. Keep your mouth shut and I'll cut you in for 10%.
Got it.
You sure?
Oh, yeah. And even if we missed, it had to have died in a fall, right?
Hey, that's my bike! Fantastic. Here, kitty, kitty.
The boat will be docking in about 20. You gonna be here? It's coming in now. I thought you weren't gonna be here.
Roughcut's back. What'd he give you?
He must be smuggling diamonds again.
That thug would smuggle his own mama. You know, Maggie got one of those last week.
Sorry, Selena. I really was leaving town. I just needed some traveling money.